show you guys this really nice backpack. It's got this kind of purplish, blackish color, depending on the light. It's really pretty. Plus, you got these little safety strips that will reflect light. So if you're walking in the dark, it's got lots of different zipping closures, pockets. Put a key on there. You can adjust these. This opens nice and far. You have more zippers and mesh pockets in here. Got a lot of space. There's a full-size keyboard that's pretty thick in here. Got some more pockets. A laptop holder in here with a strap to keep it in there. There's lots of space. You can fit lots of things in here. It's got a nice thick mesh handle right there. Plus you got your little hook. You can hang it up with things. There is padding in here. There's also padding on the back and in your shoulders, so it's really comfortable. You also have a hidden compartment right here, so you can put like your wallet and stuff right here, so it's up against your back, harder for people to steal it. You have some drink holders, little pocket holders on each side, so lots of different buttons. You have a little charging cable connection right there, so that's nice. Lots of features on here. You go ahead and put it on. You can adjust the straps. Real excited for this new backpack.